Hi guys, I'm preparing for my watermelon harvest crop. These are weed. Be honest with you, these are weed. Been cutting for 2 days. It's pretty much abandoned land. When I went out there and cut them for 2 days and dry them. The crime rate in Vietnam is pretty thin in the province. You probably have in big city, like, there are more crimes up there, like it's a tourist area. And in the small towns, province like this, there's rarely any crime. There's petty theft, petty theft, but they always get caught. They always get caught real fast. I suppose I want to leave it for a week before I take them here. I'm not using them till another month. People are stealing them. Well, you steal here, you get caught. So it'll get like real nasty, arguing back and forth. It's just better just like take back to my house and store it. Yeah, we just dump it here. I just didn't have a chance to organize it. That's my uncle over there. That's what he did last year. Somebody cut the weed and to dry it. He saw that, he hired a truck and went and loaded up the truck and took it home for his watermelon crop. The person who cut the weed found out, went to his house, complained about it. He offered to pay him for it back. Watermelon crop is the main priority crop here in this province right now. So everybody's growing it. So finding these kind of weed is real hard because everybody's doing it. So he'd rather petty theft it, and get caught and pay for it because he can't buy it. They don't sell these. It's pretty much garbage. Like I was saying all these years, it's treasure if somebody wants it. It's garbage if nobody wants it. Well, if you don't farm, these are garbage. You don't grow watermelon, these are garbage. But like I said, like everybody here growing watermelon, everybody's cutting weed everywhere they could see. So these are gold right now that money can't buy. So he got caught. He willing to pay for it, but the people didn't want to take the money because they need the weed more than the money because they couldn't buy the weed. So, but this is how safe in Vietnam is. I even trust my son walk around here where I have no problem. Everybody know who he is, who his parents are, who his grandparents are. If even a stranger come in this province, people know. They just keep an eye on them. That's what basically everybody's gonna do. That's why I like living in a small province because I grew in the ghetto. My average mugging since kindergarten is once a year. Even I was in kindergarten, little kid, 5, 6 years old, walking to school, and I still get mugged. So I never feel safe in my whole 40 years in the United States. Here, it's real safe. Basically you got a lot of family. It's like how the hillbilly, it's like all family, cousins, uncles, distant cousin, distant uncles. It's all family. You might have arguments here and there like any family, but mugging you, robbing you, it's never heard here. You probably had one in the blue moon. If it actually happened, people saw shock, and it'd be like wildfire news. Yeah, that's tell you guys the difference. Cause I was loading this up before they come rob my weed. I didn't get a chance to show you guys how I loaded it up. That's it for today.